So you make content, but do you want to take it to the next level?
Our programme is designed for creators like you to brainstorm, develop and create content for social platforms. Throughout the year we'll be sending out a range of challenges,
giving our creators the freedom to tackle them using current digital trends. We had students like Leanne join in on the Wes Anderson trend.
How about Aya, who showcased our creative transitions?
Oh yeah, and you get to win prizes too.
You won't be alone though. You'll be able to meet other people in the programme to collaborate with.
And with access to social events, you'll get the chance to expand your network. You'll also get access to our creative team for support.
As you learn and improve your skills to create stunning content.
And on top of all of this, you'll be building skills to boost your CV. So what are you waiting for?
Yeah, what are you waiting for?